Good news. Ayan, meron tayong good news dito sa Hamster Combat natin, no? So, on July 12, 2024, meron ng pre-market dito sa KuCoin.com, guys. So, probably this time, maglalabas na si Hamster Combat ng token on blockchain. And ang pre-market nito is sa KuCoin.com will be on July 12. Ayan, dyan na, no? So, it's a good news to everyone, guys, no? Kasi nga, meron na tayong clear view na on July is meron ng probability or meron ng possibility na magte-trade or magbabuy and sell na tayo ng token natin. And of course, baka yung airdrop natin also i-release na din during that time. So wait natin to, guys. No, it's a good news to everyone. Sana paldo tayo dito, guys. Good luck everyone.